My name is Ryan Delgado, and I lead the data platform team at Ramp. So Ramp is a finance automation platform designed to help our customers save time and save money. So at Ramp, I lead the data platform team, and the data platform team is tasked with building and applying the infrastructure that powers data at Ramp. The problem we're facing before Materialize is real-time fraud detection. And when it happens very quickly. The faster that we can respond to that, the more that we can minimize those losses. So Materialize has helped us protect the trust that customers place in us by being able to respond more quickly to fraud and reduce the amount of fraud that happens. So before Materialize, we were responding on the order of, let's say, at least an hour, probably even 2 hours. With Materialize, we're responding within minutes. So Materialize essentially democratizes the building of streaming data pipelines to non-data engineers. So what that means is that we can scale our resources more effectively when we're building streaming data products and reduce our time to market. So the main source of truth for our data is the Postgres database that powers our application. And we integrate that database with Materialize in 2 ways. One, with the CDC pipeline built on Debezium and Kafka. Materialize natively integrates with Kafka, but we also use Materialize's out-of-the-box Postgres connector to stream data directly from Postgres into Materialize. And we'll build views of Materialize views on top of that in Materialize to calculate the metrics that we use to determine whether or not an event is fraudulent. And we have a downstream client that's repeatedly hitting these views to determine whether it's appropriate to take action on that or trigger an alert. The next use case that we're exploring is within growth, actually. When someone visits ramp.com and expresses intent on the product, to send them an email saying, hey, fill out our financing application form. Really usher them into the onboarding process, ideally within minutes. So that begets a streaming use case and Materialize is a natural choice for that.